This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 25 of building the Eleanor. And yes, in this issue we've got a plastic piece which is being fitted to the metal piece. You can pretty much tell where it's going to go. Look, it's not rocket science. It's going on there a bit like that. And once it's locked in place, it's not going anywhere. But we do have to add like 9 screws to this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 screws. No, 9 screws. There's 2 there. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Which will go in there and hold it in place securely. Now they've given us a big bag full of screws. I'm just going to tip locked out because 9's too many to count individually. I'm going to keep a couple in the packet because I reckon there's probably 2 spare. But I'm not even going to count that. I'm just going to guess that that's about right. Let's have a look. How many have I got there? 1, 2, 3. I've only got 6 out. So, no, not even close to being right. 7, but it is right. If I keep 2 in the packet, I've just kept more than 2 in the packet. So there we go. 2 in the packet. That will leave me with 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I shall go around and put all of these in. While I'm doing that, I shall remind you that if you like the content that I'm providing, then like and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, just click the subscribe button and you'll, click the notification bell and all that and ring the things and click the buttons and you shall be notified when I have a new video coming out. At the moment, I'm still managing to keep daily videos released. There should be something new and interesting for you. Hopefully interesting, certainly new. Every day, 7 days a week. A lot of the days I've even got 2 videos coming out at the moment. Some even 3. And starting in December, which this is already out in December, I'm a little bit in advance of my videos. You should be seeing some individual short videos coming out every day as well. Spoiling you, because I can. So that's that. If you particularly like what I'm doing, then you could consider helping out the channel by becoming a channel member or indeed a patron. Links to all of that is underneath the video. And that's the last screw about to go in there. There we go. So just remains for me to go around and tighten them all up and make sure they're nice and secure. But that is another issue done. Now next time is an even quicker build issue, so we'll be having a look through the magazine then. So just come back for that. If nothing else, you can have a look and learn some more things about the film and the cars. Other than that, other part work's happening all the time. So I'll see you for something very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.